In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you create Notion templates. Let's dive into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and productivity software, where we'll harness the power of ChatGPT to refine your Notion workspace with creative and engaging templates. First, you'll want to visit the ChatGPT website. It's the starting point of our journey, and accessing it is as simple as navigating to your browser's address bar and typing in chatgpt.com. Once you've landed on the website, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can interact with this AI tool by typing your instructions or queries in the chat box provided. Now that you're on ChatGPT, the real magic begins with a conversation starter. Type in, "Give me ideas for Notion templates students would love." This prompt is a gateway to a world of possibilities tailored to student life, designed to elicit creative and practical template suggestions from ChatGPT. Occasionally, the AI might provide you with a couple of options. If this happens, simply take a moment to evaluate and click on the response you prefer. Trust your gut or focus on what resonates best with your needs. Moving on, let's dive deeper into the specifics. Ask ChatGPT. Outline the sections of a Notion Student Planner template with databases and linked views. This request will provide you with a structured overview, giving insights into how you can organize your Notion planner effectively using databases to manage various aspects of student life, from essays to exams. Once you've typed your message, either hit enter or click the icon that looks like a black arrow. This submits your query, telling ChatGPT to unleash its knowledge onto the chat interface. You've now got a foundation, so let's continue building. Request ChatGPT to suggest database properties for an assignments tracker in Notion. This will arm you with attributes necessary for a robust assignments tracker, which could include fields like deadlines, course names, priorities, and completion status. It's a key step towards constructing a student environment that's both functional and intuitive. Next, let's add a touch of aesthetics. Type, suggest a color scheme and icons for a productivity template that feels calm and minimalist. The response here will help you imbue your workspace with a harmonious design that mirrors a peaceful study atmosphere. Colors and icons aren't just accents, they inspire the mood and tone of your working environment. After pressing enter and receiving these suggestions, it's time to bring everything together in Notion. Using ChatGPT's advice, you can now start crafting your personalized templates, from a comprehensive planner to an organized assignments tracker complete with a soothing visual theme. With the marriage of ChatGPT's guidance and Notion's powerful features, you've equipped yourself with the tools to elevate your productivity and organization to